Hey, it's Marcus. Today I'm going to be doing a demo about starting Devnets in Kubernetes, and that's been the focus of some of the infra team this week. One of the primary areas of focus is creating all the assets that are required to start a network. Those assets include a Genesis block, pre-sealed sectors, and libp2p keys, JWT tokens, and wallets. So in the past day, I have been working on creating all of the JWT tokens, peer keys, and the pre-sealed sectors in an easy kind of way. So the first thing I am going to demonstrate is how to create pre-sealed sectors. So if we examine what's called a values file and a Helm chart, there's a bunch of variables, but really the only ones that you need to set or worry about are the minor IDs. So as many minor IDs as you set, it will go through and pre-seal sectors, and ultimately we'll store them in a place that can be fetched from miners via HTTP later. So we're going to try to run this. So because it's in microcates, I'm just running a subcommand of Helm 3, but it's a basic Helm command, Helm upgrade install. I'm calling the release Genesis sectors for this demo, and then the chart is called load a seed. So we've run that, and the result should be a container that is running, which we do have a container running. And in this container, we should have Nginx ultimately that's running and is serving the sectors that I have created with load a seed. So we're just using the smallest sector size, so they're not large. And I'm going to first go in and examine this container. And then if we go to user, share, Nginx, HTML, we should see we have two directories, and in these directories we should have all the sectors. And sealed. So we've created sectors for ourselves. The next thing to check out is if we can then get these sectors from another container. So there is a service created that will map to the Nginx container. So I am going to go into a debug pod that I already have set up. And I'm going to see if I can curl one of the files here. So I'm just going to construct the URL. This is only available on the Kubernetes network. So these sectors will not be available to the general internet. And let's see if we can get the metadata sector store.json. And we can. So this part is for creating a DevNet and doing the pre-sealed sectors that are required by the pre-miners. They are the first miners on the network. So that's the first part of the demo. The next part of the demo will be creating all of the peer keys that are required and the JWT tokens. So I made a change to our secrets creator that allows you to create all of the assets in one command. So we can create all the secrets we need with one easy command. Let's see if this works. Get out of here. So we're using a similar command, and we are setting, there's a values file again that defines how many of each kinds of secrets we want to create. So we're going to create three sets of secrets for the bootstrap nodes and 2 sets of secrets for the miners. Okay. And with any luck, if we look at the secrets, we will see that we have the libp2p secrets, JWT tokens for all of the things that we specified. So again, going back to the challenge of creating a DevNet, one of those challenges is creating all of the necessary secrets in a easy way, and with the pattern that I've set up here, these 2 charts that I demoed can be included from a parent chart, and the ultimate goal will be for there to be one single configuration that will describe a network in which you would create the entire network with one command, and it would go through and create all of the necessary artifacts for creating the network, and then will eventually become consistent once all of the artifacts are created. Then any dependent pods or daemons will start once they've been created. So the idea will be, again, a one command Helm command that will bootstrap a entire DevNet, and we're trying to get this working just on a local micro-K8s or Minikube setup. And that concludes the demo for today.